of applause to him.
Hello everyone, good morning. So how many of you want the placement as soon as you come in the fourth year? है किसी इच्छा नहीं है प्लेसमेंट लेने की? Your dream company like Google, Facebook, Amazon. How many of you want to go? Okay. And how many of you want to join the non-TPP? Did you know about the TPP and non-TPP? So I love to tell you about the entrepreneurship. Okay. Actually, when you come in the after the second year, the section will divided in the two types. One is the TPP and other will be non-TPP. Okay. All the TPP students, they will be sit in the placement type and join the some company. Okay. In whatever they got selected. But students who are not in the TPP, they will be in the non-TPP. Okay. And they will do their own something startup or the CDS, IS, whatsoever. Okay, they want. So actually I have done my startup with the name DOTS, Digital Optimized and Transient Solution. Okay. So we usually have three types of the service. The first one is the education services, and second one is the IT solutions. In which we have some web development, software development, and digital marketing, all types of the IT services and the solutions. And the third one is the research and development, where we launch some new product or the new ideas. Yeah, can you listen over here? It's okay for you?
Excuse me everyone, can we just listen to him? He is come in very busy schedule. As we know, he has a startup and he gets like a busy tight schedule. So can you just make some, can you maintain a decorum about the company? Yeah, please thank you.
So actually I am here to tell you how can you make your own startup grow. Okay, because everyone is going and doing the job in some company. Okay, but we have the dream, why not we should have become the CEO or the owner of the company. Okay, instead of that chasing the job, you should give the opportunity to others so that they can come and join you. While taking admission in the CU, I was over here and like you in the first year of the second semester, where I am listening the one seminar given by the Minu ma'am. She is the senior manager of the IIO department, International Relation Department. Okay, where I come to know about the scholarship which is given by the Campus France, organization governed by the French government. Okay. So have you think that you can study in France for free of cost? Yes or no? But it is possible. You can study in France for free of cost. Okay. And I am the guy who have over there in the last year from the 18 to 19. Okay. And I have done the 2 semester in the France. 18 to 19. And on the basis of scholarship. And the scholarship was given by the Campus France, in which they used to give you all the accommodation as well as the fees, and just you need to go over there and do some project and the research work. On the basis of that, you will extend your next semester also. And in future, if you have performed well in your semester exchange program, you can got the offer of the master's degree. Okay, so are you getting my point? Doing the masters in abroad, especially some European country, American and Australian country, is very difficult and too much costly. Okay, if I talk about the France, for you it will cost the 15 lakhs only the fees. Okay, why I am telling you the story of the France? Because somewhere it is connected to my startup. Okay, from where I went over there for first 1 semester, I have done some research work and project, and I got the chance to meet with the founder of the Facebook, Mr. Zuckerberg. Okay, because I was the top 10 finalist of the Viva Hackathon, which was done in the month of the May 2018 in the Paris. And then on the basis of my achievement, I asked them to extend my 1 more semester, and they agreed because I have done some research work as well as. Have you heard about the NASA? Perfect. Then, have you heard about the saffron? I don't think so. Saffron. So saffron is just like the NASA of the France, just like the ISRO of the India. Okay. So it was a great opportunity for me we were invited by the saffron to visit their campus. We have done one project on the hovering rocket. Okay. There was a team of the 5 members. Okay. I am the only Indian guy who joined the all 4 French guy. Okay. And then we were invited over there and we explore all the things of the saffron and meet some good people over there who are doing the research work. So I got the opportunity to visit the campus of the saffron. Okay. And then after all the achievement, I asked them to extend one more semester and they have agreed to extend. Then I went over there for one more semester. Okay. And since second semester, it was from the February to the July. Okay. So in that semester, I got the opportunity and was invited by the Prime Minister of the France, Mr. Edouard Philippe. Okay. And attended the conference subjected to education. Apart from this, I have written one research paper on the education. Okay. And the project which I have done is the remote farming, in which you can connect and hold and measure and track your farmhouses using the Android app. Okay. So coming all these that 1 year of the France, I come and back to India. I found somewhere students are lacking in the project-based learning. Okay. Because you do everything in your 3 years. But when it comes in the 4 years, you don't know what you need to do. Okay. Because you don't have the knowledge how you can got engaged in the enterprises, or you can say in other word, corporate world. Okay. Ultimately, if you are not giving your reaction, but I know very well, 75% want the job. Okay. And there might be only 25% who will be in non-TPP, and out of these 25%, 5% will be go for their own startup. Once you have done your own startup, it is a very struggle phase. Okay. It is not the bed full of roses. Okay. So you must have the struggle in hardly for 2 years. What? Once you successfully build your team, bring your niche in the market. Okay. And these are the points you need to take care. But the 3 points you must to take care, they are the myth of the student. You don't need the money for the startup. Getting my point? Just I ask, you need the money to study abroad. No, you don't need the money to study abroad. If you have the talent, it can be utilized by your money. Because basically I belong from a small family which is not so much economically strong. From the Datia, which is the district in the MP near about the Gwalior. And we are not too much strong that we can go and study abroad. But I have done it. Okay, on the basis of scholarship, in my talent what I have done in previous years. And initially, when I was here in the first, second and third semester, I built my CV by participating in the debate competition and the comedy competition, some writing the research paper and the different part of and back in the DSW, Department of Student Welfare, and back with the Sugandha ma'am also in the coordinator club, okay, CSE. And later I built our strong resume and the SOP, which is known as the statement of purpose. You need the 2 things for the semester actually scholarship. One is the CV, which is not curricular vitae or the resume, and second is the SOP. Okay, and nothing else. Once you can go to the Campus France website, you can apply over there, and because only 8 students got selected in all over the India. Okay, now you can understand how many thousands of applications come over there. Okay. Once you got selected, you got astounded. Okay, that you are apart from all the crowd who is going to abroad. So this is all about my journey to India from the CU to the Paris, and I studied for 1 year in the ESET University, which is the Institut Superieur d'Electro de Paris. And when I am coming back to India, they offer me the letter, you can come back in the next year once you pass out from the CU in the September to 2020. Okay, so I am planning to go over there next year. And right now we are doing our startup, which is deal in the three department education. In education, what we are doing exactly, we have connected with all the mentors. I used to go over a lot of events and I talk the people, many companies, and they agree to work on our platform. And you will got the mentorship and the live project from them. And the project what we are giving or not the video, recorded video lecture. Okay, it will be the live video will be given through the Skype. And there will be proper dashboard. They will you have to the jury will be there. You need to give in your defend your project at the end of the. It will be about 45 to 60 days. This is all about the education. IT very well known. And the third I already tell about the research and development. Okay. So and the good news for you in the from the 11th of July till now we have made the turnover near about the 4 lakhs. Okay, and by the end of the 30th September, we are going to make it 7 lakhs, and we have the target to the December 30, 25 lakhs. After completing the financial year, that is the June 30, we are planning the 70 lakhs. This is our target, and we are planning. And very soon in the year of the 2021, we start hiring the students. Okay, this is all about our startup and my journey in the India to France. If you have any question, you can visit to my office. It's in the CUTVI block 3A. Okay, dots. You can come, you can ask any question, no problem. I can help you how you can design the SOP and CV to get the scholarship. And to be honest, I got the profit of the 15 lakhs for 1 year in the France. This is only fees, and if you go in the France, it costs the 5 lakhs per semester, and 10 lakhs you can count in the other ways. Okay, for the accommodation. So I got the 25 lakhs. Apart from this, the enjoyment, if I say, I visited the 10 countries, and Switzerland is my dream country, and I visited over there for the first time in the first semester. Switzerland, Italy, Denmark, Spain, Netherlands, all about the 10 to 12 countries. So somewhere, if you are making your struggle and hard work, definitely you will get the time to enjoy also. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for any question you can ask me, frankly, no issue. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, guys.